Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Fred Livai. I'm the VP of Sales here to prove my score. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep it all the way real with you guys. I'm going to come at you and give you guys some real stuff. It might not be anything that you want to hear, but it's something that you guys need to know. So with that being said, like they say, I'm just going to keep it all the way real with you guys. So that way you guys have a better understanding of how this game works with credit and how it can affect you, both negatively and positively. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So everybody has their pain point, and with those pain points, you know, it might be for different reasons, you know, but specifically what I'm going to be talking about is in regards to credit and how credit's going to affect you. So if you have bad credit and you want to get a credit card, you want to go buy a house or buy a car, you know, one, you might not qualify, or two, you may qualify, but you might have some real high, sky-high rates. And that's not what we want, you know, because at the end of the day, you know, we work hard for our money, and we want to keep more of that money in our pockets. So by having bad credit and not making an investment in yourself and your family and your family's wealth, or lack of, you know, it comes to a point when you have to make a decision. You have to be the one who's going to decide on what you want for your future. You know, do you want to go buy a car at 20% interest rate, have a $500 car payment, or do you want to have a 1.9% interest rate with a $340 car payment? You know, the choice is yours of what you want to do and how you want to do it. But there's a lot of money that can be saved. There's a lot of money that can be invested with the savings. So there's a lot more to think about than, will I get approved? You need to know not only will you get approved, but at what rate will you get approved for? And that's my mission. My mission, my passion is to try to help save you guys some money, try to help get you guys into a place where you know, you guys are going to see some significant savings. I help people get their credits in order, get their credit scores in order, so that they can either refinance what they currently have to get a better rate, a better car payment, just so they can see those extra savings. Because a lot of people, we live check to check. And if you don't have that emergency savings, if you don't have different things, then how are you ever expected to grow? I mean, inflation grows, so why can't we grow with the inflation? So I want you guys to think of me as like a big brother who's going to give it to you real, who's going to just like, I'm going to speak it the way that I feel it. And when I come and I bring these videos out to you guys, you know, I have family members who don't really understand how important credit is. And I try and try and try, but it's like beating a dead horse. You know, you try to tell these people how they can do better, but sometimes they don't do better because, you know, they've adapted to the lifestyle of, you know, living paycheck to paycheck. So we got the sun in my eyes again. So, you know, my thing is I want to try to help you guys learn from the mistakes that I've made in my past, you know, because nobody's perfect. You know, we don't learn about credit in schools. Schools don't teach this, and you know, it's a huge, huge problem. It's an extremely huge problem in regards to, you know, life in general, because we all need credit. You know, there's people out there that say, you know, don't get credit, live on the cash that you have. If you can't buy it with cash, you can't afford it. Well, this is true, but you also can't afford to, you know, rent a place and have those rents increase yearly. You know, I'm in the Bay Area. You know, rents are thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for a little hole in the wall. You know, in the area that I live in, rents are probably on average at least $3,000 a month. So, if you have good credit, you can purchase a home and do a lot better. So, I just wanted to bring this video to you guys real quick. Keep it short, keep it simple, keep it to the point. Let you guys know that, I want to be that big brother, that little brother, that educated brother, whatever you want to call it. But I want to give you guys some real information that you guys could use so that you guys can go ahead and get into a better financial place for you and your family through credit. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for your time. Hopefully I was able to touch a few of you guys in regards to what I've talked about here today. And with that being said, like I said, thank you guys for your time. You guys have a good Friday. Talk to you soon.